If you use tool like Photoshop Premiere Pro or Illustrator, then this video is for you. I will show you how to get Adobe Creative Cloud free for 4 months using the official offer. No hack, no fake misleading claims, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
I will give this link in this video description and in first comment and in WhatsApp group, Telegram channel also. So just visit this link and here you can see sign up now button. Click on it. Now select your country where you are from. Now you can sign up with your Google or LinkedIn or with email also. Select one Gmail account if you had already logged in multiple Gmail account in your Chrome profile. Click on continue. Now you need to fill this. Let's gender, school name, start date, you can select and type any information according to you and just study field, select any one of them and location and your age, secondary field, and you need to check this all of this T and C. Now click on this next button. Here you can see confirm your email address to continue. Go to your email address. Now confirm this. Here you can see your email has been successfully confirmed. Just skip this. Go to your profile and here you can see redeem your Adobe Express 4-month free license. Just paste here your email address and click on this get my license. Here you can see. Here you can see redemption successful. Your Adobe Express license is ready and processed to set up your account. Now you need to create your Adobe account. Again, you can sign up with your Google, Facebook, Apple ID or Outlook. Here you can see the redemption code. Click on this redeem code. Here you can see. Now we need to add a payment method for 4-month Adobe Creative Cloud. Now let's remind me later and click on this get started. By the help of Adobe benefit, you will also get, these are the benefit. Here you can see Adobe stock and LinkedIn premium for 3 months, then Samsung Dropbox 50% off. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Bihas Malik YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.